Hello everyone. Today we will solve the lead code question number 1523. So count odd numbers in an interval range. Now let's first read the question. Given two non-negative integers low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. Now what is the question? We are given two values, that is a low and high. Here let's discuss the first example to get a better idea about the question. So low is here 3 and high is a 7, right? So what they have say, what they ask in the question, they 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 ask us to find the number of odd numbers between the low and high inclusive. It means you just see here 3 and 7, right? So how many odd numbers are there between 3 and 7? So 3 itself, because they have said that we have inclusive, both are inclusive. So 3, 5 and 7. So total 3 numbers are there, and therefore and hence answer is 3, right? Now how we will solve this question? How can we solve this? So what can we do? See, if you have low and if you have high with you, then what can you do? You can simply find the total number of odd numbers between 1 and high inclusive and 1 and low inclusive, right? See, exactly have did the same. See, initially low, so what I will do, low by 2. Low by 2, why? Because in till low we also have even and we also have odd numbers, right? So what we will do, we will just do the half means half are evens and half are odd, right? So here we will do low by 2, and similarly for the high we will do the high by 2 to get a odd numbers. Now what I mentioned here, see, if high is odd, then what I will be doing, I will v2 plus plus. Why it is? See, exactly take this case, right? Now you can see 3, initially 3, right? In low portion I am not doing v1 plus plus, right? If low is odd, no, we do not have to do v1 plus plus. We just look for the high, whether high is odd or not, right? So we will also see why it is. So initially low is 3. See, so low 3 means 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? 1.5, and its base value is its floor value is 1, right? So okay, so you can see between 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, how many odd numbers are there? Actually 1 and 3, but we are taking here 1. Why? Because we want 3 to be inclusive in our answer. So we are not excluding 3 from our answer, right? So here that's why we have taken the floor value, right? Okay, very good. Now high. Now high, you can see here it is 7. Now we will do it 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5, and 3.5 its base value is 3, right? So here v2 will be 3. Now you can see 3 means what answer you get? 1, between 1 and 7. Here we are assuming that total numbers of odd numbers are 3, but it is not. You can see 1, 3, 5 and 7, total 4 odd numbers are there, and here we are getting what? 3. So 3 is not our actual odd number of odd numbers, right? So what we will do, we will, if it is odd, then we will do v2 plus plus, then it will become 4, automatically become 4, right? So that's why 4 minus 1, that will be 3. See, so our answer will be 3. You can also verify this. You can take high as a even. You just see the second example. See, in this second example, both high and low, both are even, right? So if you will do high by 2, so what is high by 2? 5. And you can also see total 5 odd numbers are there between from 1 to high inclusive, right? So, and that's why we don't need to do v2 plus plus, because their high there the last odd number was not included, right? So that's how we can solve this question. I hope you understood it well. Now we will just run it and see whether it is getting submitted or not. It is running fine. Let's submit it. Beautiful. It is submitted. So thank you.